Hey there, Antonio from Payroll Recruiting here, and today I want to talk about something that can save you a ton of time, money, and stress. What's that, you ask? Why, hiring on Upwork, of course. Let me ask you this. Do you ever feel overwhelmed by the number of tasks piling up on your plate? Maybe you're a business owner, a project manager, or even an entrepreneur with a big idea. You've got so much to do, but finding the right people to help, that's a whole different challenge, right? Well, I have some good news for you. There's a simple, cost-effective way to hire skilled freelancers for almost any job you can think of. That's Upwork, a platform where you can connect with professionals from all over the world. But let's be real, if you're new to it, it can feel a little confusing at first. That's why I'm here to guide you. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to hire on Upwork step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right freelancer, avoid common mistakes, and make the process smooth and successful. Sound good? Great, let's dive right in. The first step in hiring on Upwork is to know exactly what you're looking for. Trust me, this step makes everything else so much easier. Start by asking yourself these questions. What is the project about? What's the final result I'm hoping for? What skills does a freelancer need to have? And what's my budget? For example, let's say you want someone to create a logo for your business. Don't just say, I need a logo. Think about the style you want. Do you need something modern and minimalist or bold and colorful? Do you already have ideas about colors, fonts, or themes? The more details you can provide, the better. Freelancers love clear instructions. It helps them deliver work that matches your vision. Your budget is also important. Upwork has freelancers at every price point, from beginners to experienced pros. A $20 per hour freelancer might be perfect for a smaller project, but for something more complex, you may want to invest in a higher priced expert. Taking the time to define your needs will save you a lot of back and forth later and make sure you attract the right candidate for your job. Once you've figured out what you need, it's time to create a job post on Upwork. This is where you explain your project and invite freelancers to apply. To do this, log into Upwork and click Post a Job. Write a clear job title. For example, social media manager for small business or expert WordPress developer needed. Add a detailed description of the project and be specific. For example, what are the deliverables? Are we talking about a completed website or 5 blog posts, for example? What's the timeline? Are there any tools or software they'll need to use? Set your budget. You can choose hourly rates or a fixed price for the whole project. Pro tip, include a small task or question in your job post, like what's your favorite graphic design style? This helps you identify freelancers who are paying attention and serious about your job. Once your job post is live, freelancers will start applying. You can also browse through Upwork's talent marketplace and invite specific freelancers to your project if someone catches your eye. Now that your job post is up, it's time to start searching for the perfect freelancer. Upwork makes it easy to browse through thousands of profiles, but it can feel overwhelming if you don't know where to start. That's where filters come in handy. Here's how to use them. Budget. Set a price range that works for you. Skills. Choose the specific expertise you're looking for, like web development or content writing. Experience level. Upwork offers 3 levels: entry, intermediate, and expert. Choose based on your project's complexity. Delivery time. Need it done in a day or is a week okay? Filter by delivery time, location, or language. If communication is important, look for freelancers who speak your preferred language or are in a similar time zone. When browsing profiles, pay attention to portfolio. Check out their previous work to see if their style matches your needs. Reviews and ratings. Look at feedback from past clients. Are they reliable, professional, or easy to work with? Shortlist a few freelancers who stand out. Upwork even lets you compare profiles side by side so you can make a confident decision. This step is all about narrowing down your options to find someone who truly fits your project. Step 4. Communicate before hiring. Before you click hire, it's important to message the freelancers you're considering. This step helps you ensure they're the right fit, that they truly understand your project. Here's how to start the conversation. Introduce yourself and explain your project briefly. For example, hi, I'm Alex, and I'm looking for someone to write blog posts for my e-commerce website. I love the writing samples in your portfolio and was wondering if you could create something similar. My budget is X dollars and I need this done in X time frame. Is that something you're interested in? This message does a few important things. It shows the freelancer you're serious, gives them a chance to confirm if they're a good match for your project, and it also helps you gauge their communication skills. Pay attention to how they respond. Do they ask thoughtful questions about your project? Are they professional and polite? Good communication here often translates to a smoother project later on. During this conversation, you can also clarify deadlines, revisions, how many are included in the price, file formats, or specific deliverables. Once you're confident they're the right fit, you're ready to hire. To hire your chosen freelancer, simply click Hire on their profile and finalize the contract. Upwork will guide you through the process step by step. You'll need to set terms, agree on the price and deadlines. For hourly projects, Upwork's time tracker lets you monitor hours worked, provide details, include all necessary instructions and files. The clearer you are, the smoother the process will be. Once the project begins, stay in touch with your freelancer. Upwork's messaging system makes communication easy. You can check progress, answer their questions, and give feedback. Pro tip, don't micromanage. Trust your freelancer to do what they do best, but be available for quick check-ins or clarifications. When the project is complete, review the work carefully. If you're happy, approve the delivery and release the payment. If something isn't quite right, Upwork allows you to request revisions or even open a dispute if necessary. Once the project is finished, take a few minutes to leave a review for your freelancer. This is a big part of what makes Upwork work so well. It's a system built on trust and feedback. In your review, mention the quality of the work, whether the project was delivered on time, and from a communication perspective, in your review, make sure you mention the quality of the work, whether the project was delivered on time, and the communication throughout the project, if it was good or not. If the freelancer exceeded your expectations, highlight that. Positive reviews help freelancers grow their careers and encourage them to keep doing great work. And if the experience wasn't perfect, provide constructive feedback. This not only helps the freelancer improve, but also helps other businesses make informed decisions in the future. Remember, a great relationship with a freelancer can lead to long-term collaborations. If you are happy with their work, consider saving their profile for future projects. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to hiring on Upwork. From defining your needs to creating a job post, shortlisting candidates, and managing the project, Upwork makes it easy to find skilled freelancers for any task. With these tips, you'll hire with confidence and get your projects done faster and more efficiently. If you're still unsure about using Upwork or need help finding that perfect match, remember that Paired Recruiting is here for you. We specialize in connecting businesses like yours with top talent, making the process even easier. Ready to get started? Visit our website or click the link in the description below for a free consultation. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might need it. Have questions about hiring on Upwork? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.